A wood-burning stove provides your home with a natural and inexpensive heat source. What could be cozier than sitting beside a crackling fire and losing yourself in the dancing flames? Lighting a wood-burning stove is not always easy though. As soon as the oven door is closed, the flame dies, creating smoke that not only smells bad and darkens the glass door, but which also spreads particles and is harmful to inhale. There are many possible reasons for this: incorrect lighting, a chimney that is too cold, faulty exhaust hoods and ventilation systems, or turbulence at the chimney opening. Installing a chimney fan at the top of your chimney will help create an artificial vacuum, and the smoke will be quickly removed from the stove and fireplace. The result is an optimal chimney draft that provides a clear and stable flame and efficient fuel use. When you add more fuel, you'll no longer have to inhale irritating and unpleasant smelling smoke from the fire chamber, as the chimney fan ensures extra draft in connection with refueling. The chimney fan can be operated via remote control so that you can safely and easily activate, deactivate and adjust the chimney's draft. We at Exodraft know what we're talking about. We've been manufacturing chimney fans since 1957, and today we are the world's leading supplier of chimney fans to both private and public institutions, as well as to industrial companies. You can read more about what we can do for you at www.exodraft.co.uk.